Defense Attorney Joshua Kolsrud. Joshua, okay, we were listening to some of the highlights from the prosecutor's opening statement there, saying that Donna Adelson was part of this conspiracy. So far, though, when we've been having the cross-examination of several of the witnesses, we're not hearing much about how Donna was involved.
Exactly. And, you know, another thing about the prosecution, I was really surprised that they chose to read their entire opening statement over an hour long in monotone. I watched it and it nearly put me to sleep. And I'm sure that the jury was in a similar position. Again, so this case is very tough for the prosecutor. You know, they're playing Monday morning quarterback 11 years later, and they're attributing suspicion to fill in all of the holes. They don't have a gun. They don't have a confession. They don't have any direct evidence that the defendant was involved in this case. So, you know, this is tough. So they're going to have to use circumstantial evidence to show what her motive was, such as, you know, the checks that she wrote. But, you know, the checks don't tell the story in and of itself. They're going to talk about codes. But, you know, code is really in the eye of the beholder. You know, the prosecution says code, the defense is going to say something else. And again, suspicion is not enough to convict something. The prosecution is going to say, well, look, there's a bunch of smoke here. And again, the defense is going to say, well, you need more than that. You need fire. So I think this is going to be a very long, drawn-out case for the prosecution. If you're the defense, you really want to examine every witness segmentally. You want to draw this out to really show that the entire case of the prosecution is just a bunch of smoke and mirrors.
Joshua, why don't we go ahead and listen to a little bit of the defense opening here. Let's go ahead and play that. I'll get your reaction on the other side.
Charlie Adelson, which is her son, gave approximately between $130,000 and $138,000 that he had in his safe that he collected and stapled together. His money went to her, not Miss Adelson. They can prove and have that he paid her to get them to kill Danny Markell. It's this man's money, not Donna Adelson's.
The reason that we're here today is because this defendant, Donna Adelson, was part of a conspiracy to hire a hitman to kill her former son-in-law, Dan Markell.
This is outrageous, what happened. It is truly outrageous. But what's more outrageous is, without any evidence, only motive and theory, they put her at the top of this pyramid. She's the matriarch. She's the matriarch mastermind, and they don't have evidence of that.
From defense counsel, again, is saying that Donna had nothing to do with this, that for the prosecution to put her at the top of the pyramid, the way she's coming across, it would just be absurd. Joshua?
Yeah, you know, guilt, it should not be contagious. You know, the guilt of Charlie, her son, shouldn't stain the hands of Donna in this case. And, you know, the defense in this case is doing the right thing. You know, they need to place all of the blame on the son, Charlie, and say, look, you know, he's the one that was convicted. He's the one that a jury already found guilty, and he's the one that's implicated in all of the evidence, not us. And unless the prosecution has a witness that really glues this together for them, I really feel like this is going to be a very uphill battle for the prosecution.
Continue to follow this and see what happens. Joshua, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Before we head to break, an up